Danke bafowethu. Welcome back to Nkulisoko. Umbekezeli Mbokazi is by far the best defender South Africa bafowethu. No one is bigger, no one is better than him. Ama-team already ayaqala ukubuza ngaye laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi uzoba imalini, uzoba available kwasha kwacima. Ku-transfer market lesoya kuyo bafowethu ngoJanuwari, especially after i-AFCON nangale transfer market leya ngoJuni. Bazomphusha bamfune ngempela umbekezeli Mbokazi, but kuzoya ngo-Orlando Pirates ukuthi iyafuna ukumthengisa na. So into ezokwenzeka, i-true market value ya umbekezeli Mbokazi emalini. I-true market value kaMbokazi at the moment ayikakafiki naku-20 million based on isikhathi adlalile ne-contribution yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates, right? But Orlando Pirates ine-right ukuthi ifuna at least around 30 million rands for umbekezeli Mbokazi. But Orlando Pirates ngeke ifune 30 million rands because uMbokazi manje is becoming the face of i-Orlando Pirates. Then into ezoyenzeka, Orlando Pirates they might want around 70 million. Yabo le saga le yamaMelodi Sundowns noLucas Ribeiro izocisha ifane naleyo. And siyazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates, once you become one of the best players ku-Orlando Pirates kuba nzima ukuthi bakuthengise. Mina I like uMbokazi. Is the player elidingekayo ngempela in terms of i-defense. Ubonise aggression ne-maturity. For 90 minutes you enjoy watching him because uyazi ukuthi egamini he will give you 100% bafowethu, nothing short. Commitment yakhe to the game when he's tackling, everything about him nje will give you 100%. And siyal appreciate iplayer elifana noMbokazi. Angimazi uMbokazi one-personal scale ukuthi yena ufunani, ufuna ukuya overseas or akafuna ukuya overseas, but kulula for uMbokazi ukuthi aye overseas because uyi-standard performer. Wonke umuntu uyambona ukuthi uyi-superstar defender by far uMbokazi. But i-Orlando Pirates kumele imgcine for isikhathi esingakanani uMbokazi, because uma ubheka ithalent lakhe akadeserve ukudlala ku-PSL. Inkani yakhe yiyo le nkani le efuneka laphana e-Europe abayithandayo. I mean, a traditional defender, usikhumbuza ama-traditional defender wakudala, especially lawa wase-Italy, angayithathi nonsense. So kumele ahambe, but on what basis? Ukuthi yena uyafuna ukuhamba na uMbokazi. Phela kumele kuye ngaye as i-player kokuqala ukuthi uyafuna ukuyishiya i-Orlando Pirates or akayifuni, or usatisfied ngale mali ayiholayo. Because lena phesheya bangamnika i-contract ye-500,000 njengoba thola ukuthi una-21 sehola 500,000 ngeviki. So imali angeke ayithole nangenyanga ku-Orlando Pirates noma kuthi uzohlala another 3 years. So into ekumele yenzeke kuzoya ngaye ne-management yakhe ukuthi bafunani naye umfana ukuthi one-personal scale yini ukuthi ufunani. But i-Orlando Pirates ayingamblokhi uMbokazi if kunama-greater opportunities. But ukuthi bazomthengisa 70 million, ayikho i-team ezokhipha 70 million. Into eyenza ukuthi ama-players ase-South Africa abantu bawadawuthe bangawafuni ukuwathenga ngemali serious ukuthi e-South Africa uma ubheka ama-players atravelayo ngeke uwathembe ama-players ase-South Africa. I-European market ifuna i-player yokuthi balithembe kuqala. So ama-players ase-South Africa isikhathi esiningi but they wanna come back home, they can't adapt to a new environment. Enye into kune-element of laziness. I'm not saying they're lazy, but kune-element of laziness because i-PSL ibhadala imali engcono. So imagine this, uye-countryni la, yes bakubhadala $1 million nge-month, but-ke uthi uyabheka ama-situation yakhona, ama-living environment, ama-tax, zonke izinto ugcine mhlawumbe sosala ngemali encane. But-ke uma ngaya kuma-countries, any country, infact any country, if i-team izothi okay sokunika imali engaka, sokukhendlelela i-tax, zonke izinto, thina wena imali yakho uzoyithola every month let's say u-2 million guaranteed noma ngathiwa iyiphi i-country adlala kuyo. But-ke i-league yaku-PSL i-professional kakhulu to an extent ama-players afila comfortable ukuhlala la ku-PSL for so long. But imali yangempela, mefuna imali yangempela, by the time anabo ma-25 abe millionaire serious, kumele aye e-Europe, uyodlala e-Europe. Noma kuthiwa kuse-Europe akaye e-Saudi Arabia-ke uMbokazi ayokwenza imali eserious ukuthi wenza 1 million a week because of i-pedigree yakhe. I mean lo muntu usedume eNigeria bafethu. After igame yase-Nigeria, even ama-Nigerian fans siyamhlonipha. Okuchaza ukuthi ama-agents phela operate ngama-Nigerian players kakhulu. Ama-Nigerian players yiwo one of the richest players on the African continent because badlala go-England, badlala ko-Spain, badlala ko-Germany. INigeria ama-player akhona adlala all over the world, dlala ko-Italy. So once waziwa i-Nigerian market, chaza ukuthini, bayakuhlonipha and then bayabona ukuthi okay there's something special about this boy. Potentially uMbokazi angaya e-Europe, but konke kulele kuphi? Ku-Orlando Pirates. And uMbokazi angafika adlale e-England afithe kahle as long as mentally akwazi ukufika e-England abe fit mentally, akwazi ukubekezelelana nezinto ezinye azohlangabezana nazo because obviously ngeke kube lula. Maybe language barrier, thola ukuthi udlala eNgilandi kumele manje aswitch uMbokazi full time akhuluma isingisi, but isingisi akusinto angastruggle for isikhathi eside, especially mekumele asikhulume every day. Bangamtholela nabantu abazomfundisa ukuthi a-fast track i-communication yakhe because baningi abadlali sebasukela kwamanye ama-country badlala eNgilandi, but-ke they are able to catch up mhlambe after unyaka uyakwazi ngempela ukucommunicate ngendlela e-right cause I mean what a player bafowethu. What a player. I mean lo muntu ufike uqala ukudlala this year wakapheli nonyaka edlala ku-professional setup but since the first game yakhe I think bebadlala i-SuperSport United he never looked back, never, not even once bafowethu. So overall when the opportunity come yokuthi aye e-Europe akaye e-Europe but-ke Orlando Pirates ayimdedele, asisho ukuthi imdedele mahhala lula u-30 million for mina uMbokazi uyawudeserva. Orlando Pirates ingathi ifunana no-100 million no-75 million. If bona bafuna leyo mali abathi okay simthengisa ngo-30 million but kune-clause ethi next time manimthengisa sinithengisela let's say 80% of ama-rights wakhe, izinto ezinjalo. That's what I'm expecting from Orlando Pirates because at the end of the day impilo zabantu lezi and ama-life changing contract awazi every day. uMbokazi uthola ukuthi i-span sakhe una-5 years kuphela ku-professional setup. Maningi ama-big players esike sawabona afikile for the past 10 years but awaphelelanga ndawo, uvele kuyaphela ngawo. Umuntu ushisa isizini eyodwa 2 or 3 and then sokuphelile ngayo. But uMbokazi I don't think kuzovele kuphele ngayo. I mean what a superstar, what a player. I like by far the best defender ku-PSL, by far akekho no-close and akekho umuntu osiphikisayo i-statement ukuthi uMbokazi i-best defender. That's why, because he plays with the heart, from the heart bafowethu, he gives everything. So when you play this beautiful game kumele udlale ngathi igame yakho yokugcina njalo. I mean u-90 minutes kuphela hayi ukuthi udlala the whole day lapha inside the field of play, then Mbokazi will give you that. He's a fighter, a warrior, a bully, everything. I-defender la elutamatisi, defender la will be bullied by ama-strikers, akusi-defender leyo nto leyo. uMbokazi is giving us a different perspective, different option laphana ku-South Africa kuBafana Bafana naku-Orlando Pirates. Abamhambise but yena mengafuna ukuhamba ku-Orlando Pirates akahlali ku-Orlando Pirates if uzoba comfortable ku-Orlando Pirates overall. But-ke konke kulele kuye ne-management yakhe. What a player. I think we are privileged ukubukela uMbokazi. I mean angakalibona i-defender elifana noMbokazi for some time. In fact angikaze ngabona i-defender elinenkani kanje bafowethu. Like unenkani at the same time unama-qualities agood ukuya phambili, mncane. Like uyakwazi ukushaya from i-range yakhe i-good. Washaya igoli elihle kakhulu against i-SuperSport United. Abantu bayalikhohlwa lela goal from the corner. Like i-shot lakhe like li-right kakhulu. Ushaya igoli elihle-ke recently-ke against against iSwelele FC. iSwelele FC which was i-SuperSport United. Kusho ukuthi kuma-cup competitions into ehlangene ne-SuperSport akayifuni because washaya i-SuperSport first game yakhe wakora, first game or second game lapho wakora against SuperSport United. Namanje ushaya igoli elihle against iSwelele okuyi-SuperSport United abayithenge from i-SuperSport United overall. But-ke ngimfisela inhlanhla TLB, what a player bafowethu. Even if you hate good work but you cannot hate this young boy. This young man is going places. World class defender straight from KZN. Danko bafowethu.